To begin, I've added a clip to my timeline, and I will add a second clip above, which will act as the side-to-side video. And there are several different ways to make a side-to-side video. For example, we can select just the clip that is above and drag the whole video until it snaps to the middle, as you can see with the yellow lines. This will split your clips up 50-50. The issue with this is that the whole video is shifted to the right outside. So if you have something in the middle, for example, someone who is talking, that will be misaligned. So how you can fix this is by, instead of dragging the whole clip, you can crop the video itself by dragging the bar over here to 50%. This is a simple way to split the clip 50-50. This is great for comparison videos of the exact same clip, but perhaps different frame rates if you're gaming. But still, it is misaligned if we want to achieve this effect. So we'll have a combination of dragging our clip and doing some cropping to it to just have the part that we want in the middle, that is in the middle of the clip itself, to the side. And here we have a 50-50 split with our second video, both cropped and moved to have the middle part shown to the right. And just to expand further on the comparison videos, if you're doing gaming, for example, and streaming, you can have the exact same clip, one below and one above. Here you will not move the clip, you will just do a crop from left to right to 50%. And here you will not see a difference because this video is the exact same. So perhaps we can add just a effect on it, like a swirl, for example, just to show you. This will be great. Some really nice split screen, normal and with effects. And this is how you achieve a split screen if you're doing gaming with the same video. Alright, that's it for this clip, but if you are interested in learning more about video editing, I have a full 30-minute tutorial from start to finish on how to edit videos live, so make sure to check it out now.